Have been struggling with your face and your face doesn't get better. You have tried different products, but the truth is you have failed to get the best product which can help you to bring back your nice looking skin. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Vaseline petroleum jelly, when to use Vaseline petroleum jelly, and other products which you can mix with Vaseline petroleum jelly in order to get your face back, or let me say to get a glowing skin. And remember, this product is very cheap and you can get it anywhere you feel like. So today I decided to come and tell you when to use this product, what you can mix with this product to get a glowing skin. So if you have pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, and really you need a glowing skin, my dear, this is the best product for you, which you need to know more about it. So in this video, I will tell you what you can mix with this product, okay, and when you are supposed to use this home recipe after the preparation. Don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda. Remember, I always tell you, subscribing is for free of charge. So right now, let us go to our preparation, guys. I'll be back and I tell you when to use this home recipe, guys. you have learned the procedures for this home recipe to take place. You need lemon juice, you need natural honey, and you need Vaseline petroleum jelly. Starting from today, no more dull skin. If you need a brighter skin, if you need a glowing skin, if you need to look younger, my dear, this is the best recipe for you guys. But before I tell you how and when to use this home recipe, my dear, don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time to watch a video from this YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And by the way, sharing this video to your friends is also important, guys. So after doing all those things which I've told you, my dear, you have a right to know how to use this home recipe, guys. As you see, this is our product which we have got after making it. Okay, so before you use this home recipe, I want you to first clean your face. If you have makeup in your face, if you have lip shiner, lip balm, lipstick, eyelashes, please first clean your face. Okay, first clean your face. It means you have to wash your face. Make sure that you wash your face and it looks clean. Okay, from that I want you to get your recipe. As you see, guys, apply it in your face. Okay, massage gently at least for 3 minutes. From that, leave that recipe to stand on your face, okay, for 15 minutes. Okay, for 15 minutes. From that, you can use low warm water to clean your face. Don't use hot water, don't use cold water, but I want you to use low warm water to clean your face, guys. Trust me, this is amazing recipe every day, guys, which you can be using. Remember, this recipe doesn't have side effects and you can use every day, okay, until you get nice looking skin. Okay, and by the way, for this recipe to stay for a long period of time, after making it like this, you can keep it in your fridge. Okay, keep it in your fridge so that it cannot get spoiled. So put it in your fridge and you can be using it every day, guys. Why not? Have you subscribed? Have you enjoyed the video? Have you shared this video? Are you going to leave a comment in the comment section? Guys, why not? This product will help you to look younger. Glowing skin, brighter skin, you need this product, guys. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. See you again to the next video. Ciao, ciao.